You already know when it's Lucian Axe. So right now it's big vibes, okay? Bakes. So right now we're gonna do our mixer today. We don't do no slave labor. We don't do no slave labor thing. So we're gonna add our flour, some salt, some sugar, and then in this pot we're gonna heat up our yeast and activate it just to a warm temperature. So you know the back to biology, the substrates and blah 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 blah. Okay? Yes, I hope you guys study. You guys know.
Lucian accent or Lucian accent. Wow. Wow. Just chopping the whole left side and just slash. Around. The flavor is there. The flavor is there. The flavor is there.
So right now inside here we have flour, sugar, salt, okay? And then we also have our warm water of our yeast. We warmed it up to activate the yeast inside. So another reason why you add sugar to your bakes is so the enzymes from the yeast would react with the sugars and then they form CO2, which causes the bakes to rise. But also you have to add some salt as well. So the salt does kind of counteracts the heat so it doesn't overproof. And also the salt helps give your bakes color. I think cooking with now you can tell your time you forgot to add salt to the bakes and they were just white and they overproof. And also it has too strong of a taste if it overproof, so you need to be careful with that as well. So now we're gonna mix everything up together. And also when you're starting off, start off on low because if you put on high, the flour will just be everywhere. You'll create a mess in your kitchen. Okay, so then we slowly add in the yeast mixture. Add it in slowly and then see what it is and then see if you need more water and add it in. Now you can slowly build up some speed. You can look at the consistency and tell it needs some more water. So you can add some more water to that same thing and just add it in. Okay, and just let that, now you can start picking up some speed. Okay, so after this process, we need to make sure the gluten is formed. So a way of doing it, when you take the dough and start putting it apart, and then it should start forming like a circle. Like you see like little circles popping up when you stretch the dough. That means the gluten has started to form in between it, okay? So then you can add it back in and then add your fat. In this case we're using oil, but you can also use butter as well for a more kind of silky texture. But the butter will also kind of shorten the gluten formation, so it'll be more flaky in a sense. But you can also use oil or butter, whatever fat you want, okay? So just add little by little, just add a little thing, little by little, okay? Just let that start going, okay? And just tweak a little bit, but not too fast, let it start mixing in. Okay, so now you can see how nice our dough is. Now we just have to let it proof for a while, okay? Then we just fold it together and then just put it back. And then look for a warm place, cover it, and then just let it proof. Okay, so we just cover this with a cloth or something and then put it in a warm place, maybe by the fire or something, and then we just let it proof. Okay, so now you can see how the dough has fully proofed. You can see the difference now, how much it's risen. Look,
Look.
Now we're just going to portion it, and also we have our oil going. Just start frying. That's it. We just cut off a piece, maybe on this side, and then just fold it in and out like a ball, and then just so this press and this serve. Okay, so you can kind of get a cylindrical kind of, not cylinder, sorry, circular shape. Okay, and then you can just slowly stretch it out and then just fry it. Okay. So we have to go big or go home. So I give you another big. Let's go. So our oil is hot. Just add that in. Then we slowly baste the top. You can see the bubbles start to come off by the top. A little too hot. Remember, you need a low temperature. You need to make sure the inside is cooked properly. The oil was a little too hot. It's looking nice.